This is the raw video, y'all. Raw and uncut. Yeah, I'm looking so crazy right now. But when I went to the TikTok shop event, Fenty gave us this hair maintenance universal starter kit. And I am totally out of Main Life Collection, shampoo, conditioner, all of that right now. So today was a perfect time for me to try these Fenty Beauty products out. This is the Moisture Rich shampoo. My allergies kicking my butt, so my whole face is like swollen, and I'll have on the lashes. So I know I'm looking real crazy right now. This is a 5-in-1 heat protector. This is a raw video, y'all. Raw and uncut. Instant damage repair. So I'm assuming this is like a another kind of treatment. And this is a moisture rich deep conditioner. So I'm gonna get in the shower. I don't know how to record myself like washing my hair in the shower without showing too much. And I don't really own like sports bras and stuff like that. So I ain't gonna be able to show y'all. But I mean, you don't need no, you know how people wash hair. It's nothing you need to see as far as shampoo and hair. So I'm gonna wash my hair. I haven't washed it since I've been back from New York. And I did put like holding spray and stuff on it, and I curled it twice in like 2 days, something that I don't really do to my hair is put a lot of heat on it. I'm gonna see how this makes my hair feel. It is feeling a little brittle, and before I get in the shower, I'm gonna take my Black Girl Vitamins hair and nail gummies that I haven't taken in like 4 days. Voice is raspy. My allergies are kicking my behind. So y'all, I just got out the shower. I thought I was recording when I was putting the leave-in conditioner stuff on. However, I was not. But after I got out the shower, I used this 5-in-1 leave-in treatment. And then now I'm gonna go in and mold my hair and sit under the dryer. So today is definitely gonna be a Fenty Beauty type of day. I have the butter drop and I cannot wait to try that. So I'm gonna be using that today as well. Now, I'll be honest, the shampoo, a little goes a long way, but it did not it did not make my hair super, super soft initially. I did shampoo my hair twice, but once I put that conditioner on, baby, it was all she wrote. And I did use both of the conditioners. One is a moisture treatment and then one is a repair. And I did use both of those. Because again, my hair needs some TLC because I ain't did nothing to it since I've been back from New York. Literally nothing. Pouring a little tail, y'all. So these are the next strips I'm using. I really prefer the small ones, the Rapid Junior, but somebody gave me these and I ain't gonna let them go to waste. So I'm gonna use what I got to get what I want. And I have a small head, so one wraparound is good enough for me. Let me go sit under the dryer and I already put my shadow and brows on. I have not put any lashes on, clearly. I wanted to try the Fenty Skin's hydrating moisturizer, or tinted moisturizer, I'm sorry. And it has a SPF in it. So along with what I already have on, and then I'm gonna put this on. Just want to see like what, you know, if it'll have enough coverage for me. It's Mother's Day today. Me and my son going out somewhere, and I don't really want to do like heavy makeup today. I just want to keep it light. We're gonna see what the Fenty Hydra Vizor does. Oh shoot! So it did need shaking up. So it came out thin, very thin. Y'all know I am a tinted sunscreen moisturizer type of girl. Like, that is my jam. That's what I usually wear, like on a everyday basis. Oh shit. So it's still kind of watery. I'm gonna just put it on with my hands. Y'all don't be afraid to use sunscreen. I actually just found out last year that we don't be using enough of it. Your girl is really getting old. I gotta love on me. Gotta love on me today, but I can definitely see the age. And this is Born This Way. Caramel Drizzle. I always buy these from the cosmetic makeup store because it's always on sale. It's cheaper there. It's an Estelada store. So they always have these for like $5. So I never get these from like Sephora or anywhere. Then for my blush today, I'm gonna use Patrick Toss. And ladies, when you start aging, you have to start using cream-based products. Using all that powder is not gonna do it. The powder gets into those creases, and you just start looking. Oh, now L'Oreal did send me their Lumi Shine Lumi Lip Glass, and it's also a cream highlighter. And I'm gonna put that right here. Again, I'm a Fenty girl. I'm gonna use the Fenty setting powder, and this one is Honey. Me and Fenty go together real bad. The first one I got was in a smaller container, but I guess they don't make that one no more because I have not been able to find it. that is so uneven. So then I like to just go back with a brush that's like a brush with a powder that's my color. And this is MAC 68 Studio Finish. And then I'm just gonna dust that off. Then I go back with the Patrick Ta with the powder and put that on top of the cream blush so it just pops. Now, if you want to do a little razzle dazzle, which I may not even, I may just have a little bit on this brush already. Yeah, because I ain't trying to do like a, yep. Ooh la la. And then I'm going to use Charlotte Tilbury's setting spray. And use your setting spray before you put on mascara or your liner to keep it from like messing up, smudging. And this is a little fan they gave us at the YouTube event as well. And these are the lashes that I'm gonna use. These are by MAC, and the number is A90. Fenty. This is a Fenty liquid eyeliner as well because I love Fenty. This lip line eyeliner is by Essence. It's one of the eyeliners that I can use that don't make me like water up. Unfortunately, I gotta use dual lash glue. It's not my favorite, but it works. really like this lash. I like more of a fluffy lash. These are kind of like straight. So I'm gonna just throw them on today, but I won't be wearing these again. And then I have a sample of the YSL Lash Clash mascara. I'm gonna try this. I don't have bottom lashes. They are thin like my hair. In with this L'Oreal Paradise. It's called Big Deal. So see, that gave me some oomph. And for my lip, so this is NYX or NYX. And the color on this was Vintage. And I love this Morphe lip gloss, and this is the color Extra Exposed. And that is it for my face. Now I have been dying to try this butter drop. This is the hydrating body milk. The bottle is so cute. Immediately yes on the butter drop. For sure, for sure, for sure. This is what I'm wearing. A little dress I got from TikTok Shop. Some pink sandals. They're handmade from So Sand Deluxe. And I will link everything in the description box. All right, bye.